It's the season to be stupid in love. That's the philosophy Sonam Kapoor and Ayushmann Khurrana have been advocating. We get chatting with the duo on this crazy little thing called love.
How stupid are you really in love?
Completely stupid. I got married. I had 10,000 rupees in my bank, and you have to be really stupid. If you have no money, you can't get married so soon.
Sonam?
I am generally stupid about things in life. So if you look at love, then I'm like the stupidest in love.
Have you had any disaster run-ins with your dad with a guy coming over trying to win him over?
No, actually my dad is really nice to everyone. But he kind of knows how to brainwash me into if he doesn't like someone, he'll never tell me. But he brainwash me into be say little things or call the guy over, make him have a drink with him, and then ask all these random questions, and then I realized that this guy is making no sense.
Sonam, do you know how Ayushmann went about proposing to his first and only girlfriend?
No, I don't. You didn't tell me.
Do you know?
Tell us.
Yeah, it was at a parking lot. We used to
yeah,
go
you did
for
tell me this.
dates
Sorry.
quite often, and it was over there, and that was after marriage. You know that? Yeah, we got married, and after a year later, she was like, "You never proposed to me." I had nothing. I had no money. I don't know how to do it. So yeah, it was quite stupid. But that was another stupidity. Bewakufi number 3.
The film is called Bewakoofia. So is there that one actor that you very often find yourself getting tongue-tied and getting really stupid around and you can't help yourself? Has that happened to you? Does it happen?
Can you ever imagine me tongue-tied or intimidated by anyone? No, see, she said that.
What about you? Someone you try to look really smart around, but
I behave really stupidly yesterday with Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, I get
He
starstruck.
was like, sir, there's this one friend. I was like, what is going on? I was like,
I get starstruck with
yeah,
Shah Rukh
I was
around.
like,
Yeah.
you smell so good. This is what happened to Shah Rukh Khan yesterday. And he's like, he's like going on and on and on and on. And Shah Rukh Khan is spacing out in between.
Oh, he was not spacing. Don't do that now. Of course I get a little starstruck when I see
He
Shah
was
Rukh
so
Khan.
cute. Doesn't
he
he?
does an amazing Shah Rukh Khan impersonation. How did Shah Rukh Khan react to you yesterday?
Fascinate him.
I don't know. We should not know.
He will know because now we're going to ask you to do a little. How did Shah Rukh react to you yesterday?
I don't know, yeah, but he was like, yeah.
Well, tell him how he was behaving when I was talking to him about perfume.
Yeah, he's like, when I'm happy, I just spray perfume like that.
In Mumbai, Sneha Menon for Times Now.